providing me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts on the beautiful topic, conservation of nature. Nature is the world around us. We all human beings depend on nature every time and for everything. It provides human beings, animals and all other living beings a place to live with the joy of natural resources. Today's world is facing the biggest problem of global warming, which has a serious impact on our environment. So we all think seriously about our activities and help to bring such situations under control. There are many ways of saving our environment from pollution, such as plant more trees, stopping wastage of water and electricity, restrict usage of paper because paper pollution depends only on trees, proper disposal of waste, always buy recycled products. Save our mother nature from further exploitation. With this, I conclude my speech. Hope you all finish my speech. This is Thanneerpanthal signing off. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Nature has provided us numerous gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, plants and animals. All these gifts of nature make our earth a place worth living. Existence of earth would not be possible without any of these. Now, while these natural resources are present on earth in the plenty, unfortunately, the necessity of most of these has increased extremely over the century due to growth in the human population.
Respected teachers and dear friends, I am presenting a speech about our precious natural resources. Conservation of natural resources. The materials available on the earth sustains life. These materials like rocks, minerals, coal, petroleum, air, water, plants and animals are called natural resources. These are gifts of nature to human beings. We must conserve these resources. Conservation means judicious or wise use of our resources. Human beings have used natural resources at a very fast rate without thinking about the consequences. Deforestation, that is cutting of trees, has led to soil erosion, loss of soil fertility and floods. Industrialization has caused the problems of waste disposal and pollution. We should take measures to conserve our natural resources. Thank you.
I am going to present a speech on World Nature Conservation Day, which is on July 28. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was right when he said, "Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not for every man's greed." This day is celebrated to recognize that a healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and protective society for present
and future generations. Environmental destruction caused by humans is a global ongoing problem. Global warming and increase in natural disasters are all various problems. Planting more trees and avoiding plastic materials and reusing things are some ways to protect our Mother Nature. Let's all together nurture nature so that we can have a better future. Thank you.
And friends, my name is Malviga Krishnamurthy of 4th C, and today I am going to say a few words on nature conservation. Nature is the world around us. Nature is our life source and our lifeline. Without it, we wouldn't survive. The oxygen we breathe, the water we drink, all comes from nature. That is the reason why it is called Mother Nature. Nature has provided us with air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, plants and animals. If we respect nature, nature will respect us. If we destroy nature, nature will destroy us. Human beings are involved in activities such as hunting down animals, cutting down trees, polluting rivers, etc. Every day we are seeing news about flooding in our coastal areas and fishermen's homes destroyed. Conservation of nature is basically the conservation of resources such as air, water, sunlight, land, vegetation, animal life and minerals. So how do we do that? Here are some of the ways in which we can help. Reduce the use of paper, planting trees, stop wastage of water and electricity, stop hunting of animals, use rainwater harvesting systems, reduce and recycle plastic, treat and reuse wastewater for agriculture. It does not take much to put these ideas to practice. However, if each one of us contributes our bit, it will make a lot of difference. Thank you.
Nature conservation. Once Mahatma Gandhi has said, Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Good morning everyone, I am Ananga of class 4B is here to tell you all about nature conservation. Nature is all around us. It consists of animals, plants, birds and even human beings. Nature provides us with fresh air, water and oxygen. In the fast-moving era, everyone is looking for their own benefits and they're not giving any true care to the Mother Nature. We do not take care of our Mother Nature, it won't even take care of us. We have hardly experience of flood and air pollution. It is our duty to save our Mother Nature for a better generation, future generation. So, I want to suggest you some few tips to conserve our Mother Nature. Plant more trees around you. Don't waste paper, power and plants. Don't use plastic. Also following 3 R's: reuse, reduce and recycle. In the end, I would like to say it is our duty to save our Mother Nature for a good and better future. Thank you. This is my plan and now this is your time to plan yours. Thank you everyone.
Today I am going to give a speech on World Nature Conservation. The World Nature
Conservation Day celebrated on 28th of July every year. World Nature Conservation Day is practiced internationally to increase the awareness to protect our natural resources. We should conserve natural resources like water, soil, trees, air, etc. We should also conserve wildlife and plants. Natural resources should not be harmed or overused. We must think about future generation also. So please take a pledge from today onwards. We all conserve our natural resources and save Earth. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to one and all. And a very good evening to you, ma'am. Today, I am going to take a few minutes to say about nature conservation. Nature. It is a precious gift from God. The world is filled with so many nature creatures such as air, sunlight, oceans, hills and lands, etc. This makes our surroundings more and more beautiful and amazing. Nowadays, humans are destroying our nature by cutting more trees and by using chemicals and plastics, which causes global warming. If it continues, the generation will simply wash out. In our part, we, the students, will take the responsibility to protect our nature But how? By using eco-friendly products, minimizing the use of toxic chemicals, avoiding plastics, and planting more trees. Reduce, reuse and recycle should be our mantra. Let us plan to plant a tree for the upcoming generation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all. Hi, going under of 4C is here to give a speech on conservation of nature. We are all familiar with nature. What is nature? Nature is place where we live, includes trees, water, hills, lands for cultivation. It gives us plenty of things to live happily and peacefully. But we humans do in return. Do we humans do actually good our nature? No, we exploit by cutting the trees, which is the lens of nature. Pollute the water, which is the blood of nature. Convert the farmlands into building lands. These stupid acts not only us do harm to us, but destroy nature. Nature give us, but what do we give to it? So, friends, we should protect our nature by planting and growing more trees and keeping our surroundings clean. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm going to talk about my topic nature conservation. Nature has provided basic needs to live like water, air, soil, trees, etc. We are human beings depend on nature every time and for everything. Conservation of nature is an issue that must be taken seriously. We can help in this by planting trees, reducing the use of paper, stopping wastage of water and electricity. Every year, World Conservation Day is celebrated on July 28. Thank you.
about nature. You heard the story of Amruta and the tree. There are also many stories about nature. They are protecting the nature. The people cut the tree for making furniture, etc. So I want to say that save our nature and save our earth. The Nature Day, July 28.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ ശ്രീരാം. ഞാൻ വാസവി വിദ്യാലയയിൽ 4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ ഈ സുന്ദരമായ പ്രകൃതി ദൈവദാനമാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഈ പ്രകൃതിനെ കാത്തുസൂക്ഷിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ കടമയാണ്. നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടതെല്ലാം പ്രകൃതി നമുക്ക് തരുന്നു. ശ്വസിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി വായു, ശുദ്ധജലം, ഭക്ഷണം ഇവയൊക്കെ പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നിന്നാണ് ലഭിക്കുന്നത്. എല്ലാ ജീവജാലങ്ങളും പ്രകൃതിയെ ആശ്രയിച്ചാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതുകൊണ്ട് മനുഷ്യൻ ഗുണകരമായി പ്രവർത്തിച്ചാൽ മാത്രം മതി. മാലിന്യങ്ങൾ നല്ലതായി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുക. മാലിന്യങ്ങൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ സംസ്കരിക്കുക. മരങ്ങൾ നടുക. ജലാശയങ്ങൾ മലിനമാക്കാതിരിക്കുക. വായു മലിനീകരണം നടത്താതിരിക്കുക. നമ്മുടെ പ്രകൃതി വരും തലമുറയ്ക്ക് അവകാശപ്പെട്ടതാണ്. നമ്മൾ പ്രകൃതിയെ കാത്തു സൂക്ഷിക്കണം. സുഗതകുമാരി അമ്മയുടെ ഒരു തൈനടാന്ന കവിത സംസ്കരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ സുഗതകുമാരി അമ്മയുടെ ഒരു തൈനടാന്ന കവിതയുടെ 4 വരികൾ പാടി എൻ്റെ പ്രസംഗം ഇവിടെ നിർത്തുന്നു. ഒരു തൈ നടാൻ നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാൻ കൊച്ചു മക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാൻ 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാൻ നല്ല നാളേക്ക് വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാൻ നല്ല നാളേക്ക് വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാൻ നല്ല നാളേക്ക് വേണ്ടി. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Prakash from 4th C, and I am going to show you my garden. This is my tomato plant. This helps us to cook food. And these are vegetables. This is aloe vera. These are herbs and they are used for medicines. This is guava tree. This is the fruit. It is called guava. These leaves help us to remove toothache. The guava green part contains proteins. It is good for health. This is hibiscus. These are so beautiful to see. Its leaves is used to make oil. They are good for our hair. This is tulsi. These give us good fragrance and we can all eat this. These give us good health and prevents from diseases like small fevers. Thank you, ma'am, for listening our video. I hope you like our garden.
topic nature. Nature is the world around us. Just to sustain our life, we depend on nature. Nature provides us air, water, and sunlight. Animals, birds, plants, etc. lives in nature. Nature has varieties of beautiful things like mountain waterfalls, etc. Lives in nowadays, nature is being destroyed by humans due to increase the population, use of automobile and plastics. Nature is being destroyed. Air, water, and soil pollution occurs due to this and causes cancer. So we have to plant trees, avoid use of automobile and plastics to protect nature for a better future. Thank you.
I am Nishita, 4th standard in Vasavi Vidyalaya. I wish you all World Conservation Day. Conservation of nature refers to the preservation of our natural resources. These include water, sunlight, atmosphere, minerals, land, vegetation, and animals. Many of these resources are depleting day by day due to its rapid utilization. Hence, some steps we must take to ensure the ecological balance. Some steps are there. Avoid deforestation, avoid air pollution. Each and everyone in this world are responsible to conserve the nature for our existence. So preserve it and enjoy the beauty of nature. Thank you.
Today's speech for nature conservation. Nature is the only free gift from God. Nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual community and even spiritual certification. If we truly love nature, we will find beauty everywhere. Adopt the place for nature. The secret is the patience, virality and beauty, our gift for nature. For those who live according to its will, love the nature is the only fun we have got. Go green, save green and love green. Thank you.
It is a beautiful creation of God. It's a precious thing to all of us living on earth. The nature, the provided by with like a water, sunlight, animals, birds, plants, etc. are also part of nature. Nature helps a healthy life. It gives clothing, food, and shelter.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Sri Pavadi, 4th C. I am standing before to talk about nature. Nature is the world around us. We depend on the nature for everything. Many people admire the beauty of the nature. The nature provides all the living beings on the earth a place to live. We should not pollute or destroy the world. The nature will be good only when the human beings take care of it very well. Thank you.